Good morning, everyone. About to go for a bit of a run in the neighborhood. Put some SPF on because the heat out here is insane already. So let's go. I want to talk to you guys about 4 hair products that I'm using at the moment. The first one is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. A lot of you guys know this one. It has a oily cream consistency, and I've been bleaching my hair a little too much, so I need to make sure that I take care of it. It helps repair and strengthen my hair, and I leave it in for about 10 minutes, and then I go straight into my shampoo. So the shampoo I use is called Sesto. It is a waterless concept, so it's a powder to lather kind of concept. And you just add a little drops of water, you rub it in your hands, and it turns into this foamy consistency. And what I love about this shampoo specifically is that it does leave my hair feeling super smooth, and it is also unscented. There is the option for scented, but I wanted to try something unscented. I've never tried that before. Just wanted to go with my natural scent. So the brand that I'm using for my conditioner is called Beast. It has this white creamy consistency. It kind of looks like a moisturizer, and it doesn't do a great job at smoothing out my hair, I feel, but the smell, to die for. It smells like eucalyptus. I can smell it all day, and it just puts me in a very relaxed mood, a very therapeutic mood, and that's exactly what I need sometimes to just start my day. Once I'm out of the shower, I go ahead and do a leave-in conditioner, which is a spray from the brand Playa, and it pretty much helps me with frizz. You can do it with dry hair or wet hair, and honestly, my hair needs all the help it can get. So adding this spray leave-in conditioner with coconut milk and manoi oil is just amazing for my hair right now at the moment. Go ahead and give these a try before I give them to anybody else, because I don't want to poison anybody. Go with this one. So I put some chia seeds, more cacao powder, and some goji berries. Texture is good. The flavor's good. They're really good. If you are obsessed with chocolate, but you want a healthier option, vegan chocolate truffles right here. So, so good. Could eat this all day. Oh, delicious. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. All right, so we just got to the beach finally. It took like 10 minutes to find parking, but I finally found one, and Dante found one, and Fernie's gonna come a little bit later. So Dante's just walking towards me so we can walk towards the beach together. And we are at Newport Beach. I think the beach is called Balboa. It's a nice area over here. But yes, I'm ready for some sun, some sand, some salty water. So let's go.
Beach, right?
Here, so we're at Balboa Island, and it's just like a bunch of little shops here, restaurants, you know, clothing stores. It's 9 p.m., so I think a lot of places are closing up, but we're gonna see what's open.